Family, what is good, man? I'd like to welcome y'all right back to the channel. Once again, I appreciate y'all for tuning in, rocking with your boy. Before we get started on this video, man, please, if you haven't already, give this video a huge thumbs up, like 100 times if you can. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel as well. Now, today, it's another store been catching my eye. I've shopped in this store before, mostly online though. I've never actually been to the store and bought some out this store, because we have a store in the city. What's so crazy, but I'm always shopping online, and I'm just always buying stuff out of that store online. Like, I've never went in the store and purchased anything, but today that's gonna change. We finna go in here. This store is Zara. A lot of y'all might be familiar with Zara. A lot of you may not. Now, Zara is like a urban dressy store. They have everything, bro. Dress shoes, slacks, polo shirts, jackets. Zara has it all. So we're gonna go in there today, man. Y'all come along with your boy. Let me know what y'all think about the store. I'm gonna pick up some items. I may even do like a try on today, like the items I purchased, try it on, let y'all look at it, or just show them to y'all and y'all just give me y'all opinion down below. But yeah, man, y'all come along with your boy today, man. We finna check the store out. All right.
truly make it bounce. Home run, hit her for the hometown. In the long run, killing with my own sound. Niggas vibes are out because I'm on now. Way up and I stay up like a drone now. Can't say sorry if I hit you with the mix. It's probably cause you hit me with the switch. Hey, K-Man clubbing every time we hit the Ville. Tropicana twister, baby girl just wanna